Hi everyone, today we are going to make a bow, and by making a bow, we're gonna learn about Revolve Boss and the shell features. Let's get started. So let's create a new file, new. Let's use inch as our part. Once done, let's go to From View, right click, Sketch. Make sure I'm using the From View. And then from here, we can get started. So let's first give it a center line vertically. And then let's draw our shape of our bow, or say profile of our bow. Then we are gonna use this profile with Revolve Boss to get a whole bow shape. So here, let's go to the line here. This will be the top of my bow. And then right click, select. Then let's do a curve here. So let's pick this tangent arc from here to here. But I want to have a bottom part so it can stand up. So I will go a bit on the right and then select. And then align here again. Connect it to the center line and go around. So click OK. Now we have this profile ready, right? But it's only in 2D. Then let's go to Feature, Revolve Boss. By this way, you can see the whole run 360 degrees. Click Yes. OK. Then we have the top part of our bow. Then let's go to the front view again. Now I want to draw the bottom part. So let's click the front plane again. Right click, Sketch. Let's do another sketch. And again, I want to go to the front view. In this sketch, let's draw a center line again. So I'm clear where I am. Okay, right click, select. Then let's click the line here. Then here, normally we will draw just a rectangle. And we are gonna use the Revolved Boss again. But for this bow, in the end, I want to make a mold out of it. So I need to take care of some shape. I'll explain more why I do this in this way. But anyway, let's do this first. Click the center line here and up to here. Instead of 90 degree, I'm going for a little bit on this way. And then going a bit on the left. And for this one, instead of 90 degree again, I'm gonna go in for this way a little bit. Basically, it will be easier to mold. And then go back here to the center line, circle around, right click, select, all down. So this profile is all finished. And now let's apply the features. Revolved Boss again, and you can see it will circle around. Great, okay. Let's go back to our view here. Asymmetrical view this time. So this is our shape, the outer shape of our bow. Then let's do the inside part. It's a very interesting feature. Click the face here, and then go to Features. Click this shell feature, and you can decide how thick it should be. For default, it's 100,000 inch. Click OK. You see, our bow is almost down there. But something I noticed is, I don't want this one to be shelled too. So what we can do is, instead of using shell after 2 revolve bosses, we can do this shell after resolve 1. So let's remove this one, drag it back here, and click the face again, shell, OK. And this time you can see, the bow is what I intend it to be. You only create shells up to this button, not through it. So this is what we want. And I'm gonna drag it back to the button. So I can have the bottom part also there. Let's go to the front view. And go into the Revolve here, Sketch. For the dimension here, let's quickly mark it. Edit Sketch. Go to front view. Small dimension. Click here. Let me give it a 4 inch. And then for this one, let's mark the radius to be 4. And click OK. Once defined, let's exit the sketch. Go to our second sketch here, which is the bottom part. Edit sketch. Go to front view and zoom in. Let's quickly define some dimensions here. And let's click small dimension. And first, let's define the angle. From here to here for this angle, I actually only want it to be a little bit less than 90 degrees. So let me give it 88. And for this one, I also just want it to be a little bit over 90 degrees. So 92 sounds about right. Great. And for this one, I can actually make it a little bit thicker. So let me give it 150,000. Looks great. And then for this one, I'll just make it as it is right now. Great. Now we've defined all of this. Let's exit sketch. So now we have a clearer definition of the dimensions for our boat. So this is it. So in this example, we have used the revolved boss and base to get all around the shape. And then for the inside part, we use the shell to kind of scoop off the inside part by a defined thickness. It's a very handy feature to use if you ever need something like a bowl shape. In the next video, we are gonna use the same bowl part here we made and make a mold out of it. It will be a very interesting practice. If you have learned something from this video, please help share, like the video, and subscribe my channel. Thank you.